Hi everyone, it's been a while. So I'm happy to introduce to you that we just launched our WordPress website template. So if you check the link which I will share in the description, we built three websites, though they are one-page websites, and you can see them here. And you can click on the demo. So I'll send the link, and when you click on the demo link, you can see all the pages and see how they look like. And if it's something you would like or you need, you can get it for yourself and use it. And it can be used. You may not want to just get it for just one site. You can also use the sections, right? So in the video I explain how you can use it on not just one site. You can use sections of this landing page on other websites, right? So it's three. One, it's an EV electric one-page website, so something like this. And the second one is an educational one-page website. So all three are one-page websites, and the last one is a shipping website where you can track your shipment and do lots of stuff. So in the nearest future, or let's say in a few months time, we'll be launching more templates. If you have any suggestion, you can leave it in the comments, and we would work towards getting those kind of templates. So stay tuned, and more contents are coming in the next few months, and we'll be keeping you up to date. Also, if you want to grab this template at a discount, I'm actually giving my YouTube fans this at $5. All you just have to do is comment VAL, and I would send you the discount link. But even if you don't, I'm going to leave the link below, right? So you can get the templates, and I would love your feedback. Bye for now.